Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making one of our favorite Super Bowl recipes, buffalo chicken dip. It's so tasty, plus another way to enjoy this classic flavor. So let's get cooking. In a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add cream cheese. Hey guys, to get a great trick on how to soften it quickly, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. Then, using a paddle attachment, we'll process on medium speed until it's creamy, about 2 minutes. To this, we'll add our 2 cheeses, cheddar and mozzarella, plus hot sauce. I'm using Frank's. We'll process until the ingredients are well incorporated. Next, we'll add the red peppers and some pressed garlic. We'll mix these 2 ingredients, making sure to scrape the bottom of the bowl before adding our shredded chicken. To learn the easiest way of doing it, the link is right on your screen. And of course, we'll stir well. The last ingredient that goes in is ranch dressing. I always use my homemade recipe because it has more zip than the commercial ones. So to get it, you know where the link is. We'll mix until everything is nicely blended. We'll now add the mixture to a 1-quart baking dish that has been lightly greased with cooking spray and spread it out evenly. We'll transfer to a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 20 minutes or until the cheeses start bubbling. We'll remove from the heat and let it rest for 10 minutes before garnishing with green onions. And my friends, this is our buffalo chicken dip. Incredibly easy to make. This is a great recipe for Super Bowl or whenever you're entertaining. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!